prisms and pyramids. So we'll be talking about the lateral area, the surface area and the volume of prisms and pyramids. Right prism. What is this right prism? If you see here, this is a right prism because the base and the above structure, they are right angle. Means this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So it's a right prism. What is the lateral area? If I can draw up, say, any structure like this. Like this. So this area is the lateral area. If you add the bases also, means there are two bases, then we say it's a total surface area. So lateral area is only this side, means sidewise you can say. So lateral area of right prism is known as LA, and this is P into H. What is P here? P is the perimeter of the base. This is the base. So if this is the base, this is a circle, and if this is a base, this is a, say, rectangle or a square. Surface area is adding the lateral area with these two surfaces, that is the bases. So if this can be a base, this can be a base, both bases, that is twice base, has to be added with the lateral area so that the surface area can be obtained. Now lateral area plus 2 into area of bases, because these are two, one base, two base, so they are twice bases. So lateral area plus 2 into area of base is the surface area. How about the volume of the right prism? Volume is given by the base area. If this is length, this is breadth. So base area will be equal to length into breadth, and this is height, so into height. So L into B into H will be the volume of the right prism. Here P is perimeter, so perimeter will be what? This B, this is B, this is L. This will also be B, opposite side, so plus B, and this is also be L because opposite side L. So it will be 2B plus 2L, so it will be 2 into B plus L. Triangular right prism, here the base is, say, rectangle or a square, but here the base is a triangle. Base is a triangle, that is why we call it as a triangular right prism. Again, right, why right? Because these are right angles. This is right angle. Let us take an example. Let me just draw it first, so that you can assume and anticipate or imagine these sides. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are this, and when we take the area of this, this is lateral area. When we add this base and this base also, we call it as a total area. So height is 8. From this point to this point, height is 8. What is the, you can say this is the length. This is, you can say, breadth. So base area will be equal to L into B. 5 into 4, that is 20. So base area is 20. And what is the perimeter of the base? If this is 5, this is also 5. This is 4, this is 4. This is 4 and this is 5. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. Perimeter is the addition of the sides. So 5, there are two 5s. 5 into 5, so 2 into 5. There are two 4s. 4 into 4 means twice into 4. So 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8. This is 18, perimeter of the base. So what is the lateral area? Lateral area is 18, which is the perimeter. This is P into H. So perimeter is 18 and height is 8. So 18 into 8. If you want to find out the surface area, you just have to add this lateral area, this area, with the two bases. So 144 plus 2 into bases. So 20 is one base, so you have to multiply it by 2. So 2 into 20 plus 144 is the surface area. What is the volume? Volume is the base area, that is length into breadth. So it is 5 into 4, 20. And height is what? 8. So height is 8. Volume will be 20 into 8, that is 160 cubic units. Now when we come to a triangular right prism, then this triangle area, this base is triangle. So we have to take the perimeter and the area of the base, which is the triangle. So height is what? This is height. The base is half into base into altitude. Let me draw this triangle. Base is what? 6. Height is what? It is given. This is the height, 4. So half into base into altitude, half into 6 into 4 will be the base area. What is the perimeter of the base? 6 plus 5 plus 8. All the sides have to be added. 6 plus 5 plus 8 is 19. So what will be the lateral area? It will be 19 into 4. What is the perimeter? P, which is 19, and what is the height? 4. So 19 into 4 is 76 square units. What will be the surface area? You have to add the lateral area with these two bases. And what is the area of base? 12. There are two bases, so 12 into 2, so 24. 24 has to be added with this lateral area. These two has to be added so that you get surface area. This is 100 square units. How about the volume? Volume is this area of the base into height. So 12 is the area of the base and height is 4. So it is 48 cubic units. Regular pyramids. Regular pyramids means the base will be regular. Means whichever is the base, the sides will be equal. A regular pyramid has a base which is always a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all the sides have to be equal. This is the base. The lateral faces all intersect at a point which is called as the vertex. So this is a point which is the vertex and they form triangle. See, I'll make one triangle. You have to imagine 4 triangles. One is this triangle. The other is opposite to it. The second triangle is, other triangle is this and opposite to it. So there are 4 triangles in all. And they culminate or they intersect at vertex. So this is the lateral side, which is the slant side, and which is a triangle, and this is a vertex. You might have seen these pyramids or heard about these pyramids. In Egypt, these are very famous pyramids. The altitude is what? It is a segment from the vertex from this point to the base. So a perpendicular, when it is dropped from vertex to the base, this is a perpendicular. This from this point to this point, this height is known as the altitude or a perpendicular. This is the altitude. This is the altitude. The slant height is the height of the lateral surface. From this point to this point means from this point to this point. This is a triangle which is a slant triangle, little bit angled triangle. So this from this point to this point, this line is the slant height of the lateral surface. So this is slant height. So regular pyramid, if P is the perimeter of the base, L is the slant height, B is the base area. So lateral surface or lateral area of the regular pyramid is half into L into P. L is the slant height, P is the perimeter of the base. What is the surface area? You just have to add the base area with this lateral area. So lateral area plus base, this half LP plus base is the surface area. And what is the volume of the right pyramid? This will be 1 by 3 into base area into H. Let us take an example. Before that, let me tell you that this is what we are talking about, regular pyramid. Let me go back again so that we go step by step. So this is a regular pyramid. Height is 12. The bases are same. This is a square base. So the sides are 10, 10. This is also 10 and this is also 10. The slant height is given as 13. Now what is the parameter? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10. Or you can say 10 into 4 sides. So 40 will be the perimeter. What is the slant height? It is given as 13. What is the height? It is given as 12 in pink. So lateral area half into L into P. Length is 12 and P parameters we have found as 40. So this will be 260. What is the area of the base? This is 10 into 10. Area is S square, side into side for a square. So this will be 10 into 10. This is 100 square units. Now what is the surface area? You just have add these two. You have to add the lateral area with this area of this base. This is the base. So what will be this? It will be 360. 260 plus 100. What will be the volume? 1 by 3 into base area into height. Base area we just found out as 100 square units. Multiply it with 12, which is the height. This is the height, 12. So you get volume. There are non-regular pyramids also. For non-regular pyramid, the only thing is that the base will not be a regular polygon. Thus, the base may have different sizes. So this is a non-regular pyramid. The side, if I can make the base like this, this is 10 and this is 6. So this will also be 10. This will also be 6. Height is also given 9. But because of these different sizes of the base, the slant height will be different. So there will be 2 slant height in this case. One for this face and this face, one for this face and this face. So we have to find them separately. Let us find this L first. What is this? If this is whole is 6, what is this one? 3. And the height is also given 9. So the triangle becomes like this. This is 3, this is 9. So what will be the slant height? 9 square plus 3 square. We are using Pythagoras theorem. And this is L. So L square will be 9 square plus 3 square, means 9 plus 81 under root of 90 will be 9.4. So this L is this dotted, first dotted one will be 9.4. Now this area will be, or this face will be different because the base is different. Again, from here to here, the side is 10. From midpoint, means from here to here it will be 5. And the height is given as 9. So the triangle becomes like this. This is 5 and this is 9. So we have to find this, means this dotted line M. So this will be 9 square plus 5 square under root, which is given by 10.3. So we have L and M. So this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. This triangle is equivalent to this opposite one and this triangle is opposite to this one. So we have 4 faces. So we have 4 faces. Area of front face, this will be half into the L slant height into the 9.4, means the 9.4 is the slant height and 10 is the base. So 10 into this side, this dotted one, 10 into 9.4, which is 47. Again for this one, half into the base, which is 6, and we just found out this M was 10.3. This is 13.9. But there are 2 equal faces. Front means one in front of another, and the other one also one in front of another. So we have to multiply this with 2, this with 2, and add this. So since the back and front faces are the same, means this is same, this is same. So we have to add them. So what we will do? 2 into 47 plus 2 into 30.9. This is 155.8. And I hope that surface area and volume will not be a difficult task for you. And this you can find out. We have to use the formula. Let me just go through the formulas again. The prism lateral area is P into H. P is the perimeter, H is the height. S is PH plus 2B. You are just adding the opposite bases. So 2 into B. B is the area of base. Volume is base area into height. When we come to regular pyramids, the lateral area will be half into LP. L is slant height, P is the perimeter. Surface area is half into LP plus base. You just have to add this base area with this lateral area. This is area of base. Volume is 1 by 3 B into H. B is the area of the base, H is the height. So this is all about this topic. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.